I'll show you how to do your Mandala crypto taxes. Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we're talking about Mandala and how to do your crypto taxes with the help of Koinly. So I'll tell you a little bit about this exchange, then I'll jump into the integration part of this video, and then lastly I'll show you how to get the necessary tax documentation. And as always, at the end I have a bunch of different resources if you need further assistance. But yeah, let's jump into today's video. So this exchange was founded in 2018 and it's based out of Malta. Currently is just around the top 100 exchanges by trading volume. They have an extremely limited feature set, which mostly revolves around margin trading. However, they do have a decent amount of trading pairs, but don't really expect any more features in terms of trading for this one. Alrighty, so that's enough about that. Let's jump into the integration part of this video. First step, as always, log into your Koinly account. If you don't have one, you can make one. It's completely free. Head over into the wallet section, click on add wallet. Then we're going to type in Mandala, and then here it is. So as you can see, there is an API option, but currently it's beta, so it's not available. This is subject to change when you're watching this video, but for now, we're just going to use the CSV file route. So click on import a file, and then I'll explain how to get those CSV files. So on their website, in the top right corner, you have an option that says orders. From the drop-down menu, you're going to click on order history, and then in the top right, you have an export option. And here, as you can see, you can set whatever range you like. Make sure to include your entire transaction history, your entire order history. So it looks like 3 months is the maximum. So that might mean you will need several CSV files to get your entire order history. But like I said, make sure to get all of those files because Koinly needs all that to calculate your capital gains. So that's one file you need, or I guess one type of file. It might be several depending on how many years you've been using this platform. The second option from the drop-down menu, you're going to click on trade history, and then same as before, top right corner export, and make sure to get your entire trade history in the form of CSV files. Now you'll notice there's actually no option when making this video. Once again, could be changing when you were watching it, but there's no option to get your withdrawals and deposits. So there's a few different ways you can go about this. One is you can contact them directly and ask for this information in the form of a CSV file, or two, which is also relatively straightforward, and I've made videos on it, which I will leave down below, and it's creating your own CSV file with this information. So make sure to also get your deposit and withdrawal information file, whether it's through your own creation or through them. And once you have those files, you're gonna take them and drag and drop them into Koinly and click import, and there you have it. That was pretty straightforward. Once you're done with that, once your information is loaded, all of it, go into the transactions area and you can kind of see underneath the hood what's going on here. Koinly has done already the most difficult part, which is calculated your capital gains and losses. Make sure you have tagged everything correctly. Your staking, even though this platform doesn't offer staking options, others do. So make sure if you are using those that they are tagged correctly. And once you're happy with that, go into the tax reports area. And here you have a summary of your capital gains and losses, your income, your costs and expenses, all your activity throughout the year to kind of see where your crypto taxes are going to end up. Once you're happy with that, scroll down and select a report appropriate for your needs. And we have plenty of different reports for the US. We have the IRS Schedule D, Form 8949. You can also export to TurboTax both online and desktop versions. We have reports for UK, Sweden, Norway, France, Australia, Germany, Canada, and other countries. We have the complete tax report, which keep in mind is a document you can just download, print off, and give directly to an accountant to combine with your other tax documentation. Or alternatively, you can invite them to Koinly to set up their accountancy firm here with us. And then lastly, check your country's rules and regulations because this tax report might be deductible. But that'll do it for this video. A very straightforward integration. Some resources which will be down below. Koinly Help Center, countless different crypto tax related articles if you'd like to learn more about that. We have a forum section where you can talk to members of our community as well as our staff. We have a feedback section if you're having any issues with our software that you'd like to report. And then we have a contact section where you can send us a message directly and we'd love to help you out. But if you found this video helpful in any way, consider dropping a like, subscribing for more crypto content, and I'll see you next time. Peace.